Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I have brought another session on Tkinter Widget application. So here I will be showing you two things, which is like how to create multiple tabs within a wizard, Tkinter Widget, as well as I will be showing you how to create a scroll text box. Okay, so let us see how can we create it. First of all, we need to import modules from Tkinter. So from Tkinter import star, then from import Tkinter SDK short form, then from Tkinter import TTK, and then from Tkinter import scroll text. This is for particular this. So first of all, just have the frame, that is root is equal to TK, and then we'll put a title for the Tkinter application or wizard, that is Tkinter demo. Then the shape, the size, the root.geometry 300 by 300, it's a square one. Next, I'm to go with the tabs. There are two tabs are there, so usually it will be like with notebook option. So notebook method, so frame is equal to ttk.notebook of root. Okay, now main, so there will be two tabs I have created. For two tabs will be there, or two main window will be there. So that is main is equal to ttk frame of frame, and then main2 is equal to ttk frame of frame. So so these two are the main things. So because from this now onwards, like I have defined what are those two. These are the two frames, so these are two tabs in a Tkinter window, Tkinter demo application, and any labels should be referred to this particular windows only, main or main2 only. Any labels or any entry boxes, anything what I'm adding, so it should be based on this. This only will be segregating it to different tabs. Okay, now I've defined it. Now I need to add it to the application here. So frame.add. So frame.add what? I need to add main. So this particular window I need to add text is equal to text box entry. So because this is for demo purpose, so text box entry. And for the second one, frame.add main2, that is text is equal to scroll text wizard. Since I have created a wizard box, so I have named it a scroll text wizard. And where I need to place this text bar, x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So in the x root place, so 0 0. Now let us create an entry boxes and label in tab 1. So it should be label main. So I need to take this main since it is in the first tab. So main text is will enter username and then place. I have used here x-axis, y-axis coordinate, that is x equal to 30, y is equal to 30. Location I have taken, and then user entry. This text box I need to create, that is username is equal to entry main dot place, x is equal to 120 and y is equal to 30. So if you need more information on Tkinter text box and entry wizards, so I have already prepared some videos. You may refer those. So those links will be flashing on my screen. Okay, and if you have any doubt in creating an Tkinter application or something, you can always email me at my email ID, that is rafiqjaved2@gmail.com. Okay, next, if you see, now I need to add a Tkinter scroll text wizard. That is how I will do select ttk label main2 text. So this is part of this is the label I'm going to use for my text wizard box heading. So text equal symptoms for COVID-19. Then you can if you want a font customize, then you can use this. If you don't want, if you want to use the generic, that is a black, so you can directly text this and dot grid column you can use. So if you want to customize it, you can use font is a Times New Roman format and 15 size. Background is equal to red and the foreground is equal to white. The text will be white. And then grid column row column 0 row 0. So this is the first row. Okay. Then now the wizard text is equal to scroll text dot scroll text main2. So in the main2 wizard, main2 tab, then wrap is equal to take word. This is the method. Width is equal to 30, height is equal to 10. font is Times New Roman. Okay, and the size of these words are 12. This is what the text definition, and then the grids, like where I need to place this text scroll text widget. So the text grid column 0, this column 0. If I don't enter anything about row, then by default it will be taking as 0 only. Then text.focus, it will focusing here, and then now the things will be inserted. So text.insert, so insert is a method to insert any comment or any text, and again tk.insert comma. So this is what I need to start with. So you need to always start with this inverted commas, 3 inverted commas and slash, and then you can write your text. So I have here text as symptoms with all this, and then end with 3 inverted commas, closing with 3 inverted commas. So this is my scroll text widget, and once it is done, so I need to configure it disabled so that I cannot manually modify it. See, I can modify it. If you don't this option, right, if you don't use this, then it will be like this scroll text widget will be an open state, it will be enabled, and anyone can modify it. So if you want it to be disabled state, you can always do it by using this method, text.configure state is equal disabled. Then at the end, you are just closing a root.main loop. So let us run once again the program and see. You can see here nothing, this is simply enter username, and then I have two text scroll text widget. Okay, and if you see here, if I remove this disabled state, right, if I just comment it, scroll text widget, here I will be able to modify it. See, so this is not the right way to use the scroll text widget, so you should always disable this particular text by text.configure state is equal disable method. Okay, hope you have understood this video. If you have liked my video, please press like button, and for more videos please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.